Genetic improvement in the Holstein breed, techniques and advances for breeding better dairy cows. Have you ever wondered how it's possible to obtain increasingly efficient dairy cows in milk production? You've come to the right place to discover. In this video, we will delve deep into the exciting world of genetic improvement in the Holstein breed, breaking down the techniques and advances that have revolutionized the breeding of these impressive cows. From their origins to the most innovative methods, we'll take you on an informative journey about how genetic improvements are shaping the future of dairy farming. The legacy of the Holstein breed, dairy cows that make a difference. For over a century, the Holstein breed has been a fundamental pillar in global milk production. These black and white coated cows have earned a well-deserved reputation for their high milk production, adaptability, and resilience. But how can these desirable characteristics be further enhanced? This is where genetic improvement comes into play. The foundations of genetic improvement in Holstein cows. Genetic improvement focuses on selecting and breeding individuals with the most desirable traits to make advancements in the population. In the case of Holstein cows, this involves identifying traits such as milk production, longevity, adaptability, and overall animal health. Traditional techniques of genetic improvement. For decades, breeders have used traditional methods of genetic improvement, such as selecting high-performing breeders and closely tracking their lineages. By choosing bulls and cows with outstanding characteristics and breeding them together, the overall Holstein population has been improved. The quantum leap, advances in genomics. In recent decades, genomics has revolutionized the field of genetic improvement in cattle, including Holstein cows. Through DNA analysis, scientists can identify specific genes related to milk production, health, and other desirable traits. This has allowed for much more precise selection of breeders. Advantages and disadvantages of genetic improvement in Holstein cows. Advantages. Higher milk production. Thanks to genetic selection, modern Holstein cows are capable of producing more milk than ever before, benefiting both breeders and consumers. Better health and longevity. Through genomics, genes contributing to animal health have been identified, reducing disease incidence and improving lifespan. Feed efficiency. Genetics have also led to the development of cows that convert feed into milk more efficiently, essential for industry sustainability. Disadvantages. Reduction in genetic diversity. Intensive selection for certain traits can lead to a decrease in genetic diversity, potentially making the population more vulnerable to diseases or other challenges. Specific care requirements. Some selected traits might be linked to more precise management requirements, potentially increasing the complexity of breeding. Frequently asked questions about genetic improvement in Holstein cows. How are suitable breeders chosen? Selecting suitable breeders involves analyzing their pedigree, physical characteristics, and genomic data to identify desirable traits. What is genomics? Genomics is the study of genes and their function in an organism. In livestock breeding, it helps identify genes responsible for certain traits. How does genetic improvement affect cow health? Genetic improvement can enhance health by reducing susceptibility to diseases and strengthening the animal's overall resistance. Is genetic improvement safe for cows? Yes, the process is based on natural selection and breeding, without intervening in the animal's DNA. Conclusion: the dairy future lies in the genes. Genetic improvement in the Holstein breed has led to the creation of more productive, resilient, and efficient dairy cows. From traditional techniques to genomic innovations, advancements continue to shape the dairy industry. Witnessing how these cows evolve to meet changing demands makes it clear that genetics are the key to a bright and promising dairy future.